Today we've got some exciting news that could make tax season a little less stressful for many Americans. The IRS is planning to test a free online tax system in 13 states this upcoming tax season. It's called the IRS Direct File Programs. Let's dive into the details. What is the IRS Direct File Program? It's a free online tax preparation system run by the IRS. This program aims to simplify the tax filing process for eligible taxpayers, and the best part, it's free. 4 states with their own income taxes, Arizona, California, Massachusetts, and New York have already jumped on board. 9 other states without an income tax are also part of the program, and those are Alaska, Florida, New Hampshire, Nevada, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Washington, and Wyoming. I'm Noel Lorenzana, I'm a CPA, and my channel is about simplifying taxes for individuals and small business owners. I believe that you shouldn't pay any more in taxes than you legally owe to the IRS, and that you don't have to be afraid of taxes or the IRS. So why is this free filing program happening now? Well, thanks to the Inflation Reduction Act, the IRS is taking steps to improve the taxpayer experience. They've been working on this pilot program since May, and it's set to roll out for this upcoming tax season. I made a video about the possibility of a system like this where the IRS could pre-populate your tax return and let you know what you owe. After all, they already have most of your tax information. I'll link that video at the very end. So, who can participate in this new direct file IRS program? Not everyone will be eligible right off the bat. The pilot program will start with a small group and expand as the tax season progresses. Eligibility will depend on the state you live in and the complexity of your tax situation. For example, if you have wages reported on a Form W-2 or qualify for tax credits like the Earned Income Credit or the Child Tax Credit, you're more likely to be eligible. Basically, those with straightforward tax situations. How does it work? Unlike the existing free file fillable form system where you have to manually enter all of your information, the direct file program will use an interview style format to guide you through the process. It'll ask you questions to determine your filing status, gather your dependent information, and other things. It's unclear if your current tax information will be pre-populated or not. The direct file program will cover only individual federal tax returns, so a state tax return is not included. But once a federal return is filed, taxpayers will be guided to a state-supported tool that they can use to file their state tax return. This may or may not be free. Ultimately, this new system is designed to make tax filing as straightforward as possible and free. Is there opposition or concerns for this new program? Not everyone is thrilled about this new system. Not surprisingly, companies like Intuit, the folks behind TurboTax, have voiced their concerns, saying that direct file is redundant and could lead to incorrect tax filings and potential audits. Yeah, I don't know if I agree with that. Their negative opinion of the program is not surprising since they have their own free filing program, which oftentimes is not actually free. I made a video on that where TurboTax had been sued by the FTC for its deceptive free tax filing campaign. You can check that video up here or at the end of the video. Personally, I'm thrilled about this new program. Taxpayers shouldn't have to jump through hoops to get their simple tax returns filed. Eventually, the IRS direct file system could serve as an alternative to private tax preparation companies like H&R Block and Intuit's TurboTax. What do you think? Do you think you'd like a program like IRS's direct file to file your taxes? Let me know in the comment section. Just know the IRS is still fine-tuning the details. They're also conducting regular testing to identify and resolve issues, with ultimately the goal of offering a great user-friendly experience. I really hope this works out. So there you have it. The IRS is taking steps to make tax filing easier and more accessible for Americans. It's still a pilot program, so there are limitations, but it's a step in the right direction, in my opinion. If you found the video helpful, please do me a favor and give it a like and consider subscribing for more content like this one. And check out these other videos that I mentioned earlier. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.